Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, students. So today, in this video, we are going to start a new chapter, units and graphs. So units first we'll discuss in this chapter, then after we'll go to the graphs. So this is the chapter according to AP SCRT syllabus, and the chapter number is 12th chapter. So this is 12th chapter. Right, students. So first of all, we'll discuss the introduction. So Rashida and her brother Salim, they both went to the grocery shop. Rashida asked the shopkeeper to give 2 kilograms of sugar. What she asked? 2 kilograms of sugar and 100 grams of tea powder. 100 grams of tea powder. So after asking this one, the shopkeeper wait and gave the items. Salim looked at the packets, but Salim knows that the number 100 is greater than the number 2. We know that 100 number is greater than the number 2. But after seeing the packet, Salim got the doubt that if the number 100 is greater than 2, why the packet of tea powder is smaller than the packet of sugar? 2 kg or 100 kg? So of course your answer will be 2 kg. How do you decide that 2 kg is more than the 100 grams? So here we can say that there is no meaning of these numbers without measuring terms. So what is this measuring terms? Measuring terms are nothing but examples I am telling here. The measuring terms are like kilograms and you can take so many examples: kilograms, grams, centimeter, meter, and so on. So many are there. So these are all we call it as measuring terms are here. These measuring terms we are calling it as units. The measuring terms just like as kilograms, grams, centimeter, meter, and so many are there, and that combinedly we are calling it as, we are given the name combinedly, that name is units, we call it as. So what is units are here? So we'll come to the definition of unit. Unit is nothing but it is a standard measure. It is a standard measure. So what is unit means? You have to say that unit is nothing but it is a standard measure. And for what purpose we use this unit? The unit is used to compare the measurement. For what purpose? Comparing. This unit is used for comparing measurements. Comparing measurements. Once again, sir, what is unit? So unit means you have to say that it is a standard measure, and that standard, what is the use of the standard measure? Means it is used to compare the measurements, right? I think you have understood this one. But once again, sir, we'll take the examples are here. What is that examples? Once again you come to know what is that means. You can take so many examples, but few of them I'm saying here. What is that? Kilograms, grams, centimeter, meter, millimeter, and so on, sir. And what you call this one means these are, we are calling it as measuring terms, and these measuring terms combinedly we call it as units. But actually the definition of units means you have to say that standard measure. Standard measure. A unit is a standard measure and it is used to compare the measurement, right? So how we have to where, what is the placement of that unit, and the numbers are here. So simple. First of all you have to understand one things are here. What is that means? Magnitude. So what is this magnitude? Magnitude is nothing but just a number. Magnitude is nothing but it is just a number. Suppose